We have our front door right here. Turn to the left. We have our bathroom. It seems pretty big. Seems like I can walk in multiple steps. Big mirror with lights above. Then we have our amenities right here. Come in, and there's also the hair dryer, more towels down there. Then we have our shower. Step up a little bit, and then we have more amenities right here. Love to see that. The shower head looks actually really clean. That's kind of rare. And our bathroom section with a little artwork. Wall right there. And then we come back into the main thoroughfare. We have a good sized mirror right here. And then we have a big bed right there. This was already out, so that's nice. Have some bedside stands with the power plugs on both ends. Nice big old window. Another seating area, a desk with a chair. And then we have a refrigerator and a microwave, which is great. Little closet right here. Iron. Plenty of space in there, I'd say. Yeah, I also got a coffee machine. This is a very solid room. This section is not super big, but it's very nice and it's very clean. Got a little bit of a view, but it's kind of bright out there. Kind of sit up here if you want. I feel like I'm sure it's strong enough. But yeah, this is the room, folks. I can dig it.